Wahida Hanani Co. Rooted from humble background, seeking to obtain what we are entitled for everyone. Law is only a tool made by us and serves to guide us. It is not our master. We seek not only to uphold justice, but to make sure justice does not jeopardize. We strive for betterness for everyone. Facing downfall, securing your future, taking charge of your goals, ensuring safety, preserving harmony. We stand firm to represent you.
Making a difference in people's life is a huge responsibility. We take that responsibility with dignity and we don't tolerate discrimination. We provide legal assistance for everyone, be it the poor or wealthy. One cannot live without needing a lawyer at some point in their lives and cannot die without a lawyer's involvement too. That's when we step in and take charge. We assist and we fight for our clients.
Wahida Hanani Co. Established in 1999 with only 5 staff managing the firm. The firm has not only grown bigger, but it has also created a community within its practice. The services have evolved to incorporate various legal practices. The firm has evolved beyond its sole practice area of dispute resolution since its inception. Now, the firm provides legal services open for a vast clientele background. Wahida Hanani Co. has served multinational companies, government agencies, financial institutions, private companies, and of course, private individuals. Wahida Hanani Co. is equipped with an abundance of experience. The firm has served its clients diligently, taking into account their stories and their needs, listening to the clients and helping them throughout the process. The firm represents its clients in a wide array of practice areas, including corporate services, real estate and conveyancing practice, domestic and international dispute resolution, criminal litigation, and Sharia matters.
At Wahida Hanani, we share the same goals, missions, and visions.
We aim to build a well-founded, competent, and effective legal service. Our standards in serving our clients are consistently high, and their needs are being tailored and prioritized in our services to them.
In Wahida Hanani Co, we strive in providing high quality, competent, and highly ethical legal service. We prioritize our clients' best interests in order to provide the most suitable advice with utmost integrity.
We understand that legal processes can be very challenging for our clients. Therefore, we try our best to assist, empower, and guide our clients to efficiently settle our clients' case.
We are very passionate about our duties as lawyers. We take responsibilities for each of our work as a team. We move forward as a team, having shared values, aiming to provide the best, better quality service for our clients.
The corporate practice of the firm has been developing and regularly being reviewed since 2005. We are very strategically organized. We aim to have every corporate lawyer in the firm to be highly specialized in their selected industries. Our clients value us and value our unconventional approach. They rely on us because we have done this over and over again and not just once or twice. If the clients need lawyers to represent them in regional joint ventures or share and business acquisitions, we've got a team designated to cater to this already. We sit down and evaluate our strengths. Who would be the best to cater to this client for the acquisition? What about corporate reorganizations? What about privatization? Who is the best that we have? We assemble together as a team and gather our forces for the work on behalf of our clients. I have led the corporate practice group since 2005. My first exposure to corporate law was when I did my chambering at Lee Shamuddin Allen & Gledhill Law Firm. I have been trained by some of the top corporate lawyers in the field at that time. Their excellent mentorship has inspired me to serve my clients to the best of my ability.
A very unique aspect of our firm is that we have a very active, vibrant and experienced Sharia practice group. This is owing to our common goals when we started the partnership. We truly wanted to have an advanced Sharia practice group, making use of our knowledge and abilities for the betterment of the Sharia justice system. Apart from being experienced in Sharia criminal offences, we are able to cater to a range of Sharia mal cases, from divorce cases to custody disputes. We are always ready to serve our clients. Sharia matters have been part of our practice since earliest days of establishment in 1999, and I was there during our pioneering days until now. It is very apparent to me as the head of the practice. Islamic law is an ardent motivation of my passion as a Shari'i lawyer and also as an advocate and solicitor. Sharia is part of our life, and that is the reason we remain persistent and prioritize our firm's Sharia practice. I am certified to practice in most of the states in Malaysia. We have served our clients in the southern region of East Malaysia. And in the immediate future, we will also be able to represent our clients in other parts of Malaysia, inshallah.
Our dispute resolution practice group is very practical in our approach. We have never been afraid of trying out different innovative solutions in approaching our clients' cases. We're very tactical in maneuvering our ways through the various precedents of the law. We benefit immensely from the firm's consultant, Tan Sri Muhammad Arif bin Yusof, a former Court of Appeal judge. And with that being said, it means that we have access to a person who can give us the viewpoint of a person in the judiciary.
My background may seem to be a mix of domestic law practices, private international law, and public international law, but that is because I've never limited myself when it comes to venturing into my passion for the law. Having graduated from International Islamic University Malaysia for my first law degree, I've later acquired my Erasmus Mundus Joint Master's degree, primarily awarded by University of Glasgow in the area of international peace and conflict and also global security. After that, I pursued my chambering at Cecil Abraham and Partners, where I have gained exposure of investment disputes and was primarily trained in the area of dispute resolution. And that was how I first started my practice in dispute resolution, and I figured that dispute resolution is my primary interest when it comes to practicing the law.
Our criminal litigation practice group is where we strive to uphold the rule of law in the criminal justice system. When it comes to criminal law, the odds are stacked against you as the defense counsel. Everything the media convey is assumed to be true by the public. Every time a person is prosecuted, the society sees him immediately as the bad guy even before the court decides so. With that, we work our socks off to ensure that our clients' interests, whether on pro bono basis or paid, are all entitled to the right to a fair trial that they so really deserve. In the past 2 decades, we have been grappling with various criminal cases ranging from drug offences, murder and culpable homicide, rape and sexual offences, causing hurt and grievous hurt, corruption, anti-money laundering and so much more. We hope you continue to have faith in us because we have absolutely no intention to stop progressing, fighting for your rights. I started out as a pupil under the tutelage of Sivanandan Advocates and Solicitors and was recruited as an associate for 2 years after completing my master in University of Malaya, specializing in criminal justice. I had some opportunity of teaching in the academic fraternity for 2 years before finally deciding to join Wahida Hanani Co in 1999. My passions covers various cases including drug offences, sexual offences, murder and white-collar crimes. Criminal litigation has always been close to my heart. I believe in the purity of the classical presumption of innocence until proven guilty, and it has always been the X factor for me since day one of embarking into the criminal law fraternity. Such deep passion has led me to be part of the criminal law reform committee in 2018. I aspire to spare no effort in ensuring that the laws governing the people serves its very purpose of justice.
In the real estate and conveyancing practice, our work is as intense and calculative as other practices, even though we don't have any procedures for litigation. If there is one thing in common between all of the conveyancing lawyers in the firm, it is the attention to details. We are trained to work efficiently, and we have developed our work system to get our work done as efficiently as possible. Thanks to our years of experience, we are not strangers to the officers and registrars, as our work always intertwines. As we don't have any litigation process, it does not exclude the duty for us lawyers to attend to the needs and goals of our clients. We take every conveyancing file seriously, and it is important to personalize each file to match its own unique facts, as all other practices do. Apart from drafting sale and purchase agreements, our real estate and conveyancing practice also does joint ventures agreement, tenancies, cases of compulsory acquisitions, be it under residential, mixed, or commercial properties. I am the youngest partner in the firm, and I'm here as the head of the real estate and conveyancing practice. My background as an advocate and solicitor is hugely influenced by this firm. I've been here since my pupillage, and I've been serving in the firm since then. I was trained by each of the partners throughout my years here before becoming a partner myself. Back then, I was assigned with the majority of cases related to property and finance law, and that experience has nurtured my interest in real estate law and conveyancing. From there, we edge our sword and challenge ourselves with more and more complex cases.
The lawyer you choose will make a difference.
Khazanana, Kadar Asla, Durmaya Jayus.
Estamos enfocados en los resultados.
نتوقع ونخفف ونحمي.
你们的满足是我们第一的目标。
Jadi, solusi anda bermula di sini.
Wahida Hanani Co.